An important financial tool for many is a wage advance service like Beforepay. It can be a real help when you need cash fast. But of course, once you've received the funds, the next logical question is, how exactly do I repay my Beforepay advance? It's actually designed to be straightforward and automatic, integrating smoothly with your existing banking. The key to Beforepay repayment is the direct debit agreement you set up when you signed up for the service. You provide Beforepay with your bank account details. This allows them to automatically withdraw the advanced amount plus their service fee on the agreed-upon repayment date. This date is always linked to your next scheduled payday, which Beforepay calculates based on your historical income and banking information. The system is set up this way to ensure you have the funds available to cover the repayment as soon as your salary hits your account. So, the simplest and most common way you repay is by doing nothing. You just ensure the full amount of the advance plus the 5% transaction fee is in your nominated bank account by midnight on the scheduled repayment date. Beforepay handles the rest. But what if your payday changes, or you need more time? Beforepay offers you flexibility. If you know your income won't be in your account on time, you have the option to delay the repayment. You can easily manage this within the Beforepay app. By going to the Advances or Repayment section, you can select an option to defer the repayment date. You can usually push it back by up to a week, giving you the necessary breathing room. Crucially, delaying a repayment doesn't incur any additional late fees or interest from Beforepay. They'll simply attempt to debit the amount on the new, later date you've chosen. This makes it a stress-free process if life throws a curveball. If you have any issues with the automatic debit or need to make alternative arrangements, it's always best practice to contact Beforepay customer support directly through the app as soon as possible. Communication is key to managing any financial service. In short, repayment is generally automatic on your next payday. Keep your account funded, and you're all set. If you need a change, use the deferral function in the app. Manage your account proactively, and Beforepay will remain the useful tool it's designed to be. Thanks for watching.